Good afternoon. I am Dr. Pompi Ghosh, Assistant Professor of Botany, Shivabharati Mahavidyalaya, is going to present one paper in the International Webinar on Climate Change and Public Health, and the title of my paper is Change of Food Habit to Improve Immunity During COVID-19 Pandemic in India. Plant products used everywhere from dawn to dusk, as they provide immense items like food, shelter, clothes, medicine, cosmetics, fuel, fodder, even for aesthetic purpose. All plants are useful in terms of environmental aspects, though some are important too to improve our health system during COVID-19 pandemic. A large variety of plants and their various parts are used by large group of people around the globe. A tiny bacteria, blue-green algae and red giant trees are important for their ecological viewpoints, but direct benefit is also comes from plants of our neighboring areas which are very useful. Due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, whole world is facing a great threat of extinction, and every day people are combating against the tiny COV particles. In our India, all doctors prescribing immunity booster drug to the disease infected persons, namely A to Z immune or immune CZ and so on. These are immunity boosting agents. In this communication, I am trying to emphasize on some common plants that are using every day for the supply of vitamins and minerals. These are important as immunity booster as well as fighter for immune deficiency disorders. According to some authors, total force fitness is a holistic health approach to enhancing warrior health and resilience. Therefore, general information is given here to combat against such serious disease in India and abroad. Researchers argued that nutritional fitness is an essential component of total force fitness, as poor nutrition degrades several missions due to variety of health disorders. Therefore, people are aware regarding their health and consciousness during the whole life and try to adjust their environment to be healthy, wealthy and sound. Good nutrition is an important part for leading healthy and happy lifestyle for all. So we try to use plant, animal and similar products in our diet to make our body fit for present and future activities. From our school days, we come to know that plant and animal proteins, fats and carbohydrates are essential for our balanced diet. Plant-based nutrition is better than animal-based one because there is less risk factors for physical disorders and diseases. The same opinion was coined by Hayward and Coentree, 2017. They stated that health-promoting whole food plants-based diet daily need macro and micronutrition, emphasizing specific geriatric concerns, and offer guidance to physicians and healthcare practitioners to support patients in successfully utilizing nutrition to improve their health. To emphasize the importance of plant-based nutritional formulations on human beings, the present case study was conducted in West Bengal with reference to daily based practice in different families under different districts. And my study area is some districts of West Bengal, and doctors from these areas prescribed immunity boosting vitamins and minerals through medicines. And in this situation, I mention all the vitamins which are prescribed and minerals which are prescribed. But the in this Gangetic plains and coastal areas of Bay of Bengal, people are prone to use valuable plants available in gardens, kitchen gardens, and nursery, and from wild, which are potentially important and rich in vitamin and minerals. The present study was made through literature and a review, and the study on daily use of plants by local peoples. And from this study, vitamin E is present in so many plants which are used daily, like mango, sweet potato, boiled spinach, pumpkin, tomato, ginger, rosimum, curry leaf and cinnamon. Vitamin B1, banana, orange, ajwan, breakfast cereals like oat, wheat, that is sprouting wheat also, yogurt, vitamin B2 for vitamin B3, wheat flour, ajwan for vitamin B5, potato, oat, broccoli, curd, brown rice for vitamin B6, banana, turmeric for vitamin B9, banana, spinach, broccoli, wheat, and vitamin C, citrus fruits, green chili, turmeric, ginger, curry leaf, neem, all are important. For vitamin E, nuts and seeds, plant oils like rapeseed, sunflower, ginger, curry leaf, soya, and olive oil. These are important source of vitamin E. Are some mineral source like copper, manganese, and selenium. These are zinc are recommended, and the sources for copper, whole grain beans, potatoes, ginger, black pepper, curry leaf, leafy green vegetables, manganese, tea, ginger, leafy greens are also some other turmeric, clove, and whole grains, selenium, broccoli, cereal, spinach, green pea, bean, ginger, clove, and zinc This is very important now. Garlic, onion, ginger, watermelon seeds are osmum are very important. So some plants are here which are very important, though they have vitamin A and minerals, but for other purposes they are important. Garlic, onion also, uh, ginger, cinnamon, clove also. And from this study we can conclude that present study revealed that near about 26 common and easily available plants have immense medicinal properties with abundant vitamin and mineral sources. These are essential to improve the health of a COVID infected person as well for uninfected persons to boost up their immunity. These plants also have properties to cure digestive problem, diabetes, toothache, skin disease, gum problem, wounds, cancer, pathogenic infection, liver disease and hypertension. Plants also lower blood pressure, obesity, dysentery, osteoarthritis, menstrual cramps, and also so many. So, to improve our immunity and fitness, we can use all the above plants in regular basis and proper way to combat serious disease during COVID-19 pandemic situations. And these are some uh, way how to use these plants. During morning, one can use overnight pre-soaked mango leaf water in empty stomach, followed by 8 ingredients like tulsi, guava leaf, turmeric, garlic, germinating gram, germinating fenugreek, ginger, and curry leaf as breakfast. One can use fruits of 4 different types up to 450 gram before lunch. After lunch, one can take betel leaves with cinnamon and fennel as digestion. After lunch and dinner, valuable carminative may be used as cumin and ajwain boiled water. Bedtime, one should positively use black pepper and clove to protect oral infection also. So this is the way how you can use these plants. And the photograph, pre-soaked mango leaf overnight. Next one for breakfast ingredients. Next neem leaf. Next turmeric plant. Fourth and fifth mango. Fifth one betel leaf. Sixth cumin and ajwain boiled water. 7 and black pepper and dry cloves. And so plants are used widely among the people who are very sound about the use and applications of plants. They use plants not only during COVID-19 period but since time-based practice from their forefathers. The readily available plants and plant products enhance their body power and keep body to fight against such serious disease situation. Hope that all people of Indian origin would be accustomed to use the practice of Indian culture and get benefited from these plants. So acknowledgements. Members of Organizing Committee, International Webinar on Climate Change and Public Health organized by Department of Biology and Environment Science, SMM Nagpur and Dr. Khatri Mahavidyalay in association with JCET and VMS Research Foundation. I am very thankful to all of them to give me this opportunity to present my presentation. And I also acknowledge Lalgarh Government College teacher Dr. Debobroto Das, Head Department of Botany, my father Dr. Sri Panchkuri Ghosh, who is a pharmacist, and Devjanu Basu, ex-botanist, to help me or to prepare this presentation.